पर सरकारी जुल्म बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो। सौरा जुल्म के नाम पर सरकारी जुल्म बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो। विकास के नाम पर विस्थापन करना बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो। शांति के नाम पर लोगों पे हमला करना बंद करो, बंद करो।
Now we think that this war right now, and it's undoubtedly a war, whatever term they use, it's a war. It's a war on people which must be resisted, and we feel that, but let us get into the basics of like why this war, because that might also make it clear that why we have to resist it. Because for us, we look at this war not just because, you know, I mean, of course it is like, if you look at bare facts in the face of it, it is a loot of mineral resources, it is a loot of natural resources. But for us, it's also very important because this war is to demolish a vision for development, real development, a vision for alternate centers of power that are for the first time in this all 62 years of the so-called independence, that's first time centers of power that are emerging from within the people. If you look at Chhattisgarh, Bastar, Odisha, all these regions, yes, these are very mineral rich areas which the corporates have an eye on, but it also is the seat of a real people's power, where people's revolutionary committees have been formed, where power has been decentralized among the people, where people are practicing a democracy which we have actually all talked of, read in our textbooks and maybe even dreamt of. They are also practicing development, because in these areas, it is in Dandakaranya that actual people's development has taken place, where like whether it's irrigation, it's the same thing has been also taking place in Lalgarh. I mean, I can talk more about Lalgarh because we went there and saw in this 1 year, like that time it was not even 1 year, it was around 7 months when the police and the civil administration was shooed away from Lalgarh, when it was expelled from Lalgarh by the people. The people were practicing development. For the first time there was a functioning health center. For the first time land reforms were taking place. People were distributing lands, like barren lands among the people. For the first time irrigation was taking place. These are very small things, but the point is that these are the very small things which we can do with very small knowledges which have been practiced by the people over the time. Practices of irrigation, practices of seeds, practices of manures of the tribals which have taken place over 1,000 years, and we know against that this World Bank development, vision of development comes as a package of seeds, of manures, of pesticides, and of also power. So Bastar, Dandakaranya, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, this is under attack as far as we see, is not because it's mineral rich, but it's because an alternate vision is coming from there. People are not just talking about a future of equitable society, but people are also practicing it. And it's very important for this semi-colonial government to also demolish that vision, demolish these powers which are emerging from below. And you know, and impose this, the time-tested World Bank model which they have done in Africa and Latin America and all other places. So for that only, we feel that it's very important not just to save this vision, but spread this vision, to share this vision. And that's why also we have to resist it.